Hello there, everybody. In the box today we have Theta. Let's go ahead and open it up, shall we? So what is the Theta Network? Theta is a decentralized video content delivery network powered by blockchain technology. Theta Network is like a magic highway for online videos. It's designed to improve video streaming quality, reduce buffering, and create a more efficient system by leveraging a peer-to-peer network. This peer-to-peer network uses lots of computers around the world in order to make sure that your videos play super fast without any glitches. Theta Network was founded in 2017 by Mitch Liu and Jie Long. Theta Network also boasts of advisors like Steve Chen, YouTube co-founder, and Justin Kan, Twitch co-founder. So what does Theta Network do? Well, Theta redefines how we stream videos for global worldwide viewing. Theta Network doesn't rely on centralized servers. Instead, its users contribute their bandwidth and computing power from their phones or desktop computers to deliver video content. The users earn rewards in the process. Instead of relying on one big computer to send you videos, it spreads the job across many computers around the world. This results in faster and more reliable streaming experiences for users all over the world. Theta makes watching videos online way better, steady, fast, seamless, and also rewards users for using or serving stability to the network. What exactly powers the Theta network to function? Firstly, Theta's secret sauce lies in its dual token ecosystem. It has two superhero tokens, Theta and Tfuel. Theta is like the boss, making sure everything runs smoothly. Tfuel is like the sidekick, used to pay for things in the Theta world or the Theta protocol. Theta's friends, the nodes, work together through a consensus mechanism. This keeps everything safe and makes sure everyone agrees on what's happening. Also, by allowing users to share their excess bandwidth, Theta Network provides a more resilient and scalable internet infrastructure. There's more to Theta Network. It's truly spectacular technology, but today, we just kept it simple. Okay, let's move on. So here's how Theta works in the real world. 1. Virtual reality live streaming, e-learning, and any scenario where fast, efficient, high-speed content delivery matters. 2. Live streaming. Platforms like Theta TV use the network for smoother live streaming experiences. 3. Video on demand, VOD. Did you know that Samsung partnered with Theta Labs for video on demand delivery for Samsung phones and TV? 4. Content delivery networks, CDNs. Companies can use Theta's infrastructure for cost-effective video content delivery solutions. 5. Metaverse development. Theta provides the tools and infrastructure for building 3D metaverse experiences with efficient video streaming. Theta doesn't just help with videos. It can make virtual reality cooler, help in online learning, and improve anything that needs fast and reliable content delivery. 5. Theta enables you to share some of your internet power from your computer or phone during its idle time. This shared power from your phone makes it become a node or server for everybody else on the network. This is a map showing active global nodes of the Theta network. In return for sharing your bandwidth, you earn rewards in Tfuel for powering and stabilizing the network. It's like getting a present for being a good internet buddy. This system results in smoother running videos for seamless viewing and a chance to earn money. So how exactly does Theta Network benefit you and me? For you and me, Theta means a smoother and faster streaming experience in 4 ways. 1. Imagine your phone earning money just by sharing your internet power with the network. Cool, isn't it? 2. Reduced data costs. Users sharing bandwidth can earn rewards, offsetting their data consumption. 3. Improve streaming experience. Faster, smoother playback, higher quality, and lower buffering. 4. Theta Network democratizes content delivery, empowering individuals who own Theta and Tfuel tokens to play a role in improving internet video on demand for everybody. Theta Network turns your regular internet into something exciting and rewarding. And what about the Theta Token? Theta Token, Theta, is the native cryptocurrency of the Theta Network. Put simply, Theta Token, Theta, is like the superhero money in the Theta world. It serves as a governance token, meaning that it enables you to take part in decisions regarding the network and gives you rewards for being a good teammate. You can even lock up or stake your tokens to support the team and get more tokens as a thank you gift. This mechanism not only helps secure the network, but also aligns the interests of users with the overall health and growth of the Theta ecosystem. Theta makes sure everyone wins by being part of the Theta adventure. Hopefully, Theta Network is now simplified and easy for you to comprehend how it works. We love making things simple. Please like and subscribe to our channel and help us grow. Thank you, we wish you well and see you in the next one.